Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make garlic barbecue sauce. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tomato paste, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, and plenty of fresh garlic. Don't forget brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, and a hint of liquid smoke. These foundational components are crucial for building a rich and flavorful sauce that will elevate any meal. Now, let's begin building those delicious flavor layers. First, gently sauté your minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil for about 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Next, incorporate 1 cup of rich tomato paste and 1/2 cup of tangy apple cider vinegar. Stir in 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce to create a balanced base. To combat the economic chaos, significant stabilization efforts were undertaken. The Rentenmark was introduced, a new currency backed by real estate and industrial assets, which successfully halted hyperinflation. Following this, the Dawes Plan restructured Germany's reparation payments, making them more manageable and providing an initial 800 million gold mark loan. Later, the Young Plan further reduced the total reparation sum to £2 billion, extending payments over 59 years, aiming for long-term financial stability. Almost there, once your incredible garlic barbecue sauce is ready, let it cool completely. This step is important for both safety and flavor development. Then, transfer it to an airtight container. Your homemade sauce will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to elevate your grilled meats, sandwiches, or even serve as a fantastic dipping sauce for your favorite snacks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.